for the review meeting of the application number 2S006212526. Application was for fresh affiliation up to senior secondary level, switch over from other boards. Application submitted by the school name Swami Vivekananda Senior Secondary School, Yamunanagar, Haryana. Application got rejected due to some deficiency points still existing in the application, for which we are conducting review inspection in a virtual mode on 19 February 2025, for which review committee member are as follows. Member 1, Srimati Archana Uday Singh Ghorpade, Principal of Drug Global School. Second member, Srimati Shirley Ann Thomas, Principal of Believers Church Residential School, Tiruvalla, Kerala. From the school side, Principal Ma'am has joined this meeting, Srimati Rajni Ahuja, and President Sir, President of School Management Committee, Shri Ram Kumar Sakuja. I request a representative of the schools to show your ID card and represent your case point-wise, sir.
Open कर दो दरवाजा.
Rajni ma'am, I am audible to you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Show your ID card, ma'am.
मैम would you show your आपका ID card दिखाएंगे आप प्लीज?
Yes, ma'am.
निकाल के आगे तक
क्लियर नहीं है, थोड़ा क्लियरली दिखाइए. Shirley ma'am, is it fine?
The name of the school is not seen, ma'am.
मैम थोड़ा और पकड़िए. रजनी मैम आप फिर से होल्ड करेंगे कैमरा के सामने, आपका कैमरा क्लियर नहीं है.
Now it is visible, ma'am.
It's not visible, ma'am. You are
No, ma'am.
मैम कोई और डिवाइस नहीं है जो आप रख सकते हो?
डबल कर दो. इसको लीव करो, इसको लीव करो.
हाँ, दिस इज वेरी क्लियर. ये अभी सेकंड वाला आया, बहुत क्लियर है. यस सर.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
यस, परफेक्ट. ठीक है सर.
ओके मैम.
या इट्स ओके सर. आपका भी दिखा दीजिए आप, थोड़ा सा क्लियर. हाँ, नाम नहीं दिख रहा आपका ऊपर का.
छोटा है इसमें.
जी हाँ, ठीक है सर. इट्स फाइन. So do we see the papers first or what do we do? Shirley ma'am?
Ma'am, when the videography is in the office or
They're in the office.
it's a high line across the school or something, ma'am?
So shall we start?
First, we'll cover the documentation part, ma'am.
Yes, that will be better.
That's for point number 2.
Yes.
Combine.
I think all these are latest documents.
Yes, ma'am. January, ma'am. January paid in February. January challan, ma'am. And challan receipt, ma'am. Payment date 8 February 2025, ma'am.
The total amount is 12,000 something for all the 27 employees.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It is for 5 persons.
One person. On board.
Yeah, because we have asked the employees, they are not interested in deducting the PF.
You have just paid only for 5 employees, right?
Yeah, it is paid only for 5, and we have having all the numbers and all this. Na? UPF number we have applied, and 5 teachers are getting this.
The stop salary more than 50,000.
Because salary is also more than 15,000, and and Form 11 has been filled by the staff members. And PF is not required in that case, And Form 11 is filled by the employees.
Do we have a copy of that, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Form
Can
Form
we see a
11.
copy of
Sure,
one of the
sure.
employees who have said that?
File, file.
आपके इसमें नहीं
नहीं. Just we'll show hard copy. So like that, teachers have filled this. They are not interested in deducting the PF, sir, because they want more cash takeaway, na?
Archana, ma'am.
Yes,
Do the
ma'am.
teachers get such an option to choose whether they want to continue?
Even I was going to ask the same question to sir, with the CBSE head office, that I have never seen something like this.
No, our state doesn't allow us all this, sir.
Because PF is mandatory the day you sign the muster your.
What we understand.
Yeah. I think sir, we are not allowed to do that. Maybe sir could guide us from the affiliation cell.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I mean, we've never come across this document wherein the staff has this facility of saying that they don't want the PF to be deducted from the salary. Are we allowed to do that?
Ma'am, I think some norms
Ma'am,
is there. It is up to it is a choice of the employee.
Employee. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Some norms
Can
are.
this be more than 50?
I have not come across in my working capacity, so I thought I'll ask you. We both had the
Wait,
same
ma'am.
question.
Whereas here we don't have that provision. Only thing if it is below, above 15,000, then we don't have to give. But below, definitely,
Yes.
I don't think the employee is given a choice of whether you want or not. The institution has to give it to them.
Yes, because in Maharashtra also they say the day you sign the muster, your PF starts getting deducted.
so here, ma'am, the salary is more than 15,000. So that's why they are not interested. Some employees are not interested, so they fill Form 11. So that is from the PF department only.
Okay. Fine. I mean, we were not aware of it. Like, if it's allowed, because in our state, most of the times we've not come across such cases. Actually, you
We
should
have
get
confirmed.
they know it's a help to them, you know, at least there's something to fall back on.
And the cap is being raised to 21 also now.
Yes, ma'am. Repeat.
I think from 15 to 21 it has gone up, ma'am. So
Yeah, ma'am. 15 to 21.
So, ma'am, now shall we move out? This is the only document that we needed to see, I think so.
Okay. Should we proceed to another point, ma'am?
This is NOC regarding no HTLT line running in the site 6018 square feet. In this condition, it is intimated that the site has been checked by area. I think, do we go out and see, or we are going to show the drinking facility water purifier? I mean, do you have a certificate to show us for the safe
Yes,
drinking
ma'am.
water?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm showing safe drinking water. This is the certificate, ma'am, from Physical Health Department, Public Health Department. Should I scroll, ma'am?
1 minute, ma'am. Let me check the date.
Okay.
मैम सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर 1 साल का मिलता है आपको?
यस मैम।
बट बीच में आप करते होंगे ना चेक?
हाँ जी, yes
The
ma'am.
water TDS report मैम।
हाँ.
It's 25/7/24.
And this is the detailed report.
Which one?
And
Shirley ma'am, any questions?
Ma'am, can I make a clarification, ma'am?
it is
The school is going in for a senior secondary affiliation, right? For
Yes,
which
ma'am.
an affiliation. Rohit sir, one clarification. Does the CBSE give affiliation for an arts group alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Does
CBSE will
CBSE
give.
give affiliation for an arts group alone?
Yeah,
No,
It's
with
up-
arts
relation
and
to senior
commerce.
secondary, isn't it?
arts and commerce together, I think.
we have applied for arts and commerce.
Ma'am, they have applied for a switchover category. They have applied in the switchover category, ma'am. And they are going for arts and ma'am commerce. Rajni ma'am?
So why?
Yes.
Commerce and with science stream also.
No, sir, science.
Not science.
They don't have an
Commerce stream.
NOC to start science, sir. Rohit sir, according
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
no objection given by the government, they don't have an NOC for a science group. I think it's on the
But
website.
now
actually.
they are applying it.
Now they are
Have an
applying.
NOC first for science, then only they can apply for a science
नहीं रजनी मैम आप
accreditation.
कौन सी स्ट्रीम चलाएंगे मैम जो आप बताइए.
मैं बताती हूँ. We will run arts and commerce only. We will not be opting for sciences.
That's okay, ma'am.
Yeah, then it's
Yeah,
fine.
arts and commerce. Yeah.
नहीं, moreover इनका switch over है, so they will anyways get a permission.
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
अंडरटेकिंग ना जो
अच्छा.
अपलोड कर रखे हैं सीबीएसई में.
Just I'm sharing one document, ma'am. This is undertaking.
ये सीबीएसई की तरफ से मांगा जाता है ना फॉर्मेट.
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Madam,
any
any
other-
document is there for Sanskrit and computer teacher and also for special educator?
Yeah. I'll share.
एक मिनट, सबसे पहले आप लैंड का क्लियर करो.
नहीं, वो सर कह रहे हैं.
मैडम एक सेकंड, पहले लैंड का क्लियर करो.
Sir, can we clear the land point?
फर्स्ट पॉइंट अपना पहले
First
clear करो,
point.
जो अपना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Because the are ready with me, na?
Yeah.
This is the land certificate, a new land certificate having 6018 square meter area. Wall has been built up. This is the new certificate, ma'am.
वो बताइए उसके बारे में.
Ma'am, the school was running in 12,646 square meter. And the concrete wall is built for the safety of students and staff. Now the school will run in 6018 square meter that is free from high tension wires. And we got safety certificate from electricity department that no ST lines are going through this area. Means from 6018 square meter, there is no ST line now. The students and staff are safe. We have left that part by building up the wall. And because that's why we are going for the 1-1 section only. And we have applied for. Yes,
हम लोग
ma'am.
physically भी देख लेंगे मैम.
हाँ जी, yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other
These are the documents new but security वाला जो है ना आया भी. I'll show you the certificate of
वो तो दिखा दिया,
दिखा दिया था?
हाँ वो तो शुरू में दिखा दिया।
एक बार फिर से दिखा। We have got certificate from the electricity department. They have visited our school. This is the latest NOC we have taken from the electricity department, ma'am.
All right.
ये नहीं,
इसमें
सर्वे कराने
पड़ेगा,
के लिए,
इसमें पड़ेगा
सर्वे
PDF।
कराने वाला, जिस पे बोला गया था सर्वे।
अच्छा, ये तो कल ही का है ना?
हाँ जी,
अब
हाँ जी।
उसके ये बोलते हैं।
Anything else?
उसके
एक मिनट, anything else?
Any other certificates left to be shown, ma'am? You have to show the special educators.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Manisha.
We need to meet them also, ma'am.
Special educators, Sanskrit teacher and
With their
computer.
certificates, we need to meet them.
Okay, ma'am. I am calling them. Manisha, ma'am, please go. These are the documents of Manisha, ma'am.
Mhm. Ma'am is a special educator.
Ranjan, एक मिनट आना, Ranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
She's Manisha, our special educator.
Namaste, Manisha ma'am.
नमस्ते मैम।
आप स्पेशल एजुकेटर हैं?
यस मैम।
When did you join, ma'am? यहाँ पे कब से ज्वाइन हुए आप?
9 अक्टूबर 2024 से।
अच्छा। So, what's your qualification और आप कैसे डील करते हैं बच्चों के साथ?
मैम अभी तक मुझे ऐसा कोई केस नहीं मिला स्कूल में, अगर कोई मिलता तो मैं उसको हैंडल कर लूँगी।
अच्छा, तो आप क्लासरूम में भी जाते हैं ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए क्या चल रहा है बच्चों में, कैसे पढ़ा रहे हैं?
यस मैम, जाती हूँ मैं। मेरे को बोला जाता है, मतलब कि मेरे को टीचर कहते हैं कि आपको इस क्लास में जाना है।
So, do you also design anything for the children, or you did not find a single child who needs special attention?
No.
Ma'am, do you know anything regarding inclusivity in education, which is what CBSE is also doing?
Yes ma'am.
Inclusive education, have you read anything regarding inclusive education?
Yes.
मैम आपका ये कैमरा थोड़ा सा
Not seen, ma'am. Visibility is very poor.
हाँ
Is it visible? Is it okay?
Very blurred, ma'am.
beforehand it was good. Beforehand it was good. Now
They
it's
need to
fine.
change the toggle.
All right, ma'am. Shirley ma'am, anything from your side?
Ma'am, what do you know about children with special needs, ma'am? Suppose you have a child in your class, how will you cater to that?
Well, special child will need more care, attention, accommodation than other child.
Can you give just few things that you will do if you are finding a particular child who's poor in maths?
मैम पहले तो मैं ये देखूंगी ना कि बच्चे के साथ मतलब कौन सी डिफिकल्टी है, लाइक डिसग्राफिया है, डिसलेक्सिया है। अगर बच्चे को मतलब कि डिफिकल्टी है, वो मतलब रीडिंग डिफिकल्टी है, मतलब रीड नहीं कर पा रहा है या लिख नहीं पा रहा, तो मैं उसको कुछ असाइनमेंट मतलब कि वर्कशीट वगैरह दूंगी। उसको ये बताऊंगी कि जैसे ये वर्ड है एम है, इसको सीधा एम पढ़ना है, अगर हम इसको उल्टा करके पढ़ेंगे तो वो
Do you have such children in school, in the present school?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. We have plenty here actually.
Yes, ma'am. अभी तक ऐसा कोई केस नहीं है, अगर आता है तो मैं handle करूंगी।
Can you give me one concession that the CBSE gives to children with special needs? Any one concession? There are many. Any one.
आप ये पूछ रहे हो ना मैम मेरे से कि आप कैसे उसको मतलब कि कौन कौन सी ट्रीटमेंट दे सकते हो अगर आपको कोई चाइल्ड
हाँ।
मिलता है।
वो पूछ रहे हैं सीबीएसई क्या फैसिलिटी देती है ऐसे बच्चों के लिए, कोई एक आप एग्जाम्पल बता दें जो सीबीएसई इन स्पेशल नीड्स के बच्चों के लिए कोई फैसिलिटी देती है।
स्पीच थेरेपी।
मैम वो फैसिलिटी नहीं हुई, जैसे अभी एग्जाम के बच्चे है ऐसा।
CW
एग्जाम में भी देते हैं ना, एग्जाम में भी रिलैक्सेशन होती है, दे कैन चूज लाइट सब्जेक्ट्स एंड फॉर देम द रैंप फैसिलिटीज।
मैम you just train her a bit, let her go through all the
Yeah.
CBSE
Yes, ma'am.
norms,
Yes.
regulations है,
CW
you can
अच्छा
teach inclusive
Needs to
education
understand. I think more understanding of
Okay.
inclusive education is necessary.
all right ma'am.
All right.
Yes. Thank you. Next, I
Thank
should call Sanskrit teacher.
Yeah, we'll just see
Or
certificate.
we'd like to see the computer lab, and maybe computer teacher we can meet there. Isn't it, Archana ma'am?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
I am sending computer teacher in the computer lab, and Sanskrit teacher we are calling here. Call करो ना मैम,
संस्कृत टीचर
करो ना मैम।
करुणा मैम।
नमस्ते करना मैम।
Namaste ma'am.
नमस्कार मैम।
मैम कौन से क्लास से संस्कृत है आपके स्कूल में?
मैम 6 to 8।
6 to 8, ओके, सो ये चॉइस सब्जेक्ट है।
हाँ जी मैम।
आप कब से ज्वाइन हुए स्कूल में?
मैम दिसंबर से।
दिसंबर से ज्वाइन हुए। तो कितने बच्चे हैं अभी क्लास वाइज अगर आप देखें तो कितने बच्चे हैं पर क्लास संस्कृत जिसने ऑप्ट किया है?
मैम अभी 8th में एक बच्चा है,
ओके,
आगे
That's all.
बच्चे और विलिंग के लिए।
करिए मैम, बिकॉज संस्कृत इज अ वेरी स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट, इट्स अ वेरी गुड सब्जेक्ट। इनफैक्ट 6 से ही नहीं, आपने 3rd से भी चालू कर दिया तो अच्छा रहेगा।
ठीक है मैम।
As much as you try and get the children interested in learning Sanskrit, it's like mathematics, you can score out of marks,
हाँ जी
and a very important subject.
यस मैम, वी विल डू।
Sherry ma'am?
Yes ma'am. Did we see ma'am certificate ma'am? Is it available then?
Certificate? Yes, ma'am. We are showing. Yeah.
Where did you study ma'am? May I know your name ma'am?
Karuna.
Karuna.
करुणा त्यागी। जी मैम।
Where did you study ma'am?
कहाँ से पढ़ाई
Karuna
की?
ma'am, where did you study?
मैम चौधरी चरण सिंह यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ से एमए किया हुआ है और बीएड यहीं से की है, कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी से।
Ajay ma'am,
Is it
please
visible?
scroll the certificate.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
not
We are
visible.
scrolling. We are scrolling. These are the certificates, ma'am. They're her certificates.
ये है ना प्रभात से, प्रभाकर।
ये वाला ये शो करो।
ये वाली है। ठीक है
मैम एमए सेकेंड ईयर संस्कृत आई थिंक इज ऑन द स्क्रीन। हाँ
फाइनल है ये बीएड।
Is it okay, ma'am? म्यूट किया हुआ है ना मैम.
इनसे बात करो ना.
Shirley ma'am, is it okay? Have you seen the certificates?
Yeah, is it okay, Archana ma'am? I saw the certificates. Which year did you pass your degree, ma'am? 1998?
MA ma'am 2001.
And you were working with some other school or something?
मैम पहले की हुई है, DAV में की है, सरस्वती में भी की है.
We can proceed, Archana ma'am.
Yes ma'am, yes.
लॉगिन वर्चुअल टूर में बोल देते. बस ये हो गए हैं. अब हमारा सिर्फ वर्चुअल टूर का रह गया ओनली. लाइब्रेरी, इंडोर रूम एंड कंप्यूटर लैब. रोहित सर को बोलो.
Rohit sir, please.
हम कनेक्ट करें फिर.
Should we connect for the virtual tour, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Is somebody going to take the other device, ma'am, वहाँ पर?
रोहित सर, ये स्क्रीन को पिन अप कर दीजिए. विजिबल मैम? अर्चना मैम?
Yes,
Sally
sir.
ma'am? It is visible, ma'am. School language.
Yeah, it's visible, visible.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, where was the high line, ma'am? Through which was it passing through? Which area was it passing through?
Acha. Yes, ma'am.
It states that a high line was passing through the school campus. Which area was it passing through, ma'am?
Yeah. They are going to that area, na? They are going.
Was it across the building or?
This is the area he's showing you. Backside. This is the backside of the wall. These are the high tension wires, ma'am, crossing. He's showing you that this is the wall. We have created.
Hello.
This is the wall more than 6 feet, ma'am. We have created more than 6 feet, and the high tension wires are far away from that wall.
So which means, ma'am, your land area would have reduced, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Land area is reduced.
Land area is
decreased. Decreased because it was more than 12,000 square meter. Now it is 6,018 square meter.
As per the CBSE affiliation bylaws, ma'am, 3.3 is the minimum land requirement 6,000 square meter, ma'am. वो हमने पूरी कर ली है. अब हमारी हाई टेंशन वायर 6000 स्क्वायर मीटर से बाहर है मैम ये।
So you will not be using that area anymore. But can I have a landscape view of this?
ये पार्डन मैम,
Can I see a landscape view of this, sir? It's
सॉरी
a
मैम,
ground area, I think, isn't it?
टोटल ग्राउंड एरिया मैम
Ground area is, ma'am, 2,358 square meter, ma'am.
Would you be getting a 200 meters track inside this one?
यस मैम।
We have created 3 sports outside. No? We'll show you from the view.
शॉर्ट पुट एरिया मैम, खो खो, कबड्डी, लॉन्ग जंप एंड वाली मैम।
तरुण सर थोड़ा स्लो।
Can you please show us in the landscape mode, ma'am? Can you just turn the phone and show us in the landscape mode?
Yes, ma'am. तरुण सर लैंडस्केप मोड, मोबाइल को दूसरे एंगल से दिखाइए। लैंडस्केप, दिस इज, हाँ, these are the grounds we have created, ना?
तो ये हाई टेंशन वायर जा रही है नहीं ना?
नहीं, वो तो उस मैम उस दीवार के पीछे हो गई ना।
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है। नहीं, वो कैमरा में दिख रहा है ऐसे कि जैसे वो क्रॉस कर रही है।
वो दिखेगा मैम, बिकॉज वो तो क्रॉस कर रही है। बट हाँ, हमने क्या किया, अपना जो ग्राउंड एरिया 12,646 का था ना, उसको हमने 6,018 इधर कर लिया ना, छोड़ दिया अभी।
हाँ, ठीक
जो
है, दिख रहा है।
टेंशन वो इस वॉल के आगे है, 4-5 फुट आगे है मैम।
कोई खतरा नहीं है ना बच्चों का?
नहीं मैम, कोई खतरा नहीं है। वैसे हमने क्या किया है, इसको
ट्रांसफार्मर वगैरह कोई अंदर नहीं है ना स्कूल के बाजू में?
नहीं, ट्रांसफार्मर, नो ट्रांसफार्मर इज देयर। हमने ये जो हाई टेंशन वायर्स है ना, इनको निकालने के लिए भी रिक्वेस्ट डाली हुई है, बट उसको टाइम लगेगा।
ओके,
बट फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन वी डिड दिस, कि हमने जो है वॉल करवा दी है, सो दैट कोई बच्चा उसको क्रॉस करे ही नहीं। And we are fulfilling the minimum requirement of the CBSE. That's why we are running one section, one section ही लेंगे और आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम चलाएंगे सिर्फ।
ऑलराइट। Shelly ma'am, anything?
So we have to take it that way, isn't it, ma'am?
Yeah. So can we go inside the school now? Anything left from outside? Sports facilities?
I think it's indoor for sports facilities.
Yeah, indoor. So we'll go indoor sports facilities, computer lab,
library,
table tennis.
Tarun sir, go to sports room.
Again, it's gone. All right.
This is the ramp. कंप्यूटर लैब में रहो। ओके।
ये कौन सा फर्स्ट फ्लोर है स्कूल का?
हाँ जी, फर्स्ट फ्लोर, ग्राउंड एंड फर्स्ट। now we are on the first floor. This is the view of the ground.
Stage.
This is the stage. Ramp. Now we are moving to computer lab.
All right.
There are 40 computers.
All the 40 are working, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
दीजिए, so because we are counting.
मैम फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर मैम
Yeah.
The
Move.
number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 इसको ओपन 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 and 40 ma'am. It is okay ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can we just talk to the
Now to
computer
move
teacher,
library
ma'am?
ma'am.
नहीं, कंप्यूटर टीचर बात कराइए सर.
Okay.
सावी बंसल.
Ma'am, what's your name, ma'am?
जी सर, मैम से बात कराइए, कंप्यूटर टीचर से बात कराइए.
इधर आ जाइए आप.
Good afternoon,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
And what's your name, ma'am?
Ma'am, my name is Savi.
Savi, SAVVY, right?
Ma'am,
How long have you been here, ma'am? Swami Vivekananda School.
ma'am,
How long
25 January 2025.
Okay. What is your qualification, ma'am?
Ma'am, MCA and PGT computer.
I didn't get it. Your qualification, ma'am. You have your certificates with you there?
PGT computer, ma'am.
PGT computer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is yeah? What is your qualification, ma'am? Not this designation.
MCA, ma'am, and PGT computer.
Okay. What are the softwares in your system, ma'am? What are the softwares you've installed there?
Ma'am, some Windows 10 and some computers are Windows 11.
I didn't get it, ma'am. I didn't get it. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Should I call here, ma'am?
थोड़ा लाउड
What are
बोलिए
the
मैम.
softwares that you have
सावी मैम थोड़ा
installed
सा
in the
लाउड
system?
बोलिए.
Okay, sir. Some computers are Windows 10 and some computers are Windows 11, ma'am.
Actually, ma'am, did you get it, ma'am?
It's not very clear.
Some computers Windows 10, some computers Windows
We
11.
are
ma'am.
having Windows.
मैम आप क्या सिलेबस क्या पढ़ाते हैं बच्चों को?
Ma'am, computer first to 8 MS Paint tool and 6 to 8 MS PowerPoint.
तो कोई करिकुलम आप फॉलो करते हैं, आप कोई बुक्स फॉलो करते हैं या आपका खुद का है?
नहीं मैम, सुरभि गोयल ऑथर है।
अच्छा, सीबीएसई का सिलेबस वगैरह से आप वाकिफ है सारे चीजों से?
यस मैम।
और कितने पीरियड्स होते हैं हफ्ते में आपके? वीकली हाउ मेनी पीरियड्स डू यू टेक?
मैम 2 थ्योरी 1 प्रैक्टिकल।
3 in all per week per class?
यस मैम।
तो एक कंप्यूटर लैब इज इनफ फॉर द चिल्ड्रन? हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर इन द स्कूल?
मैम यस मैम, 17, 18, 20, 30 students are available for each class.
But everybody for 3 periods, how many divisions are there in the school?
Separate ma'am, some students 15 and rest of students.
रजनी मैम, आपके डिविजन्स कितने हैं स्कूल में?
When we are having 3 periods, na, we start computer from class 1.
Class 1.
Wait, sir.
But
Yeah,
girls,
we start from class.
you're saying 3 periods in a week, so is this 1 lab sufficient for everyone for class 10th?
Yes.
Okay.
We are. When we have allotted
only 1 division, ma'am. Excuse me. Rajni ma'am, all
yes,
the classes
ma'am.
have one division.
Yeah, ma'am. One section only. Only one sections are there, and the average students are 20. We are having 272 students total, na, ma'am. So the computers are more than the strength, na?
Yeah. No. That's what I wanted to ask. How are you doing it in the timetable? Since she says 3 periods per week, so I didn't know you have just one section, so it's fine.
Yes, 3 periods for each. You can say a class, like 6
All
A. Only 6th A is there. So one for 6th A we are having 3 periods, 2 theory, 1 practical.
All right. Thank you. Now, do we move to the library?
Yes, ma'am.
Or whichever is the nearest room now, sports, indoor sports?
Library. This is library, ma'am. Nearest is library.
The more than 15 square meter, ma'am, 1500 square meter area, ma'am.
रजनी मैम, आपने कुछ बुक्स परचेज किया है क्या मैम?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि पॉइंट यही था कि लाइब्रेरी इज अंडर स्टॉक्ड.
Yeah, sir. As we are having 222 children, na, so we are having 1793 books, total books, and the main problem was the arrangement of the books. We have arranged the books properly, subject wise. We did, na. Ma'am has done very well.
As per SOPs, ma'am, 1500
books are
as per
required.
1500 titles available, ma'am, in the library. And total number of books, ma'am, 1793.
1793.
These are only story books meant for the children.
Rajni ma'am, it is mentioned that it is understocked, ma'am. So you would have made fresh purchases, isn't it? So could we have a look at the purchase bill, what you have made?
So, ma'am, last session we were having 1500. We have purchased around about 193 books this time, na? In this session.
You have a purchase bill for that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. We allot the budget.
Can we have a look at the accession register, ma'am, please?
Yeah. Sir, accession register दिखाइए. सर accession register दिखाइए. मैम को कहिए थोड़ा सा दिखाएंगे. हाँ जी.
So can you show me the entry of the new book, sir? Which you all purchased recently.
Yes, ma'am. We have purchased in July, no? And 5-6 books were not up to the mark, so we have changed also. Ma'am, show properly. Camera should be on focused.
So you've, from where have you bought the new books? From that number to the last number, if you show, and keep the camera on the accession register.
Sarabjit ma'am, 1500 onwards दिखाइए. Yeah. And one by one page, one by one. Slow, ma'am, slowly. Yeah.
So थोड़ा focus कीजिए because it's not clear. इसकी डेट क्या है?
Where is the date, ma'am?
Can we see the date?
July, ma'am. We have purchased in July, ma'am. July.
Mm-hmm.
The entry is not there, I think.
Can I see the name of the last book?
Sarabjit ma'am, last book. Last page.
Night, Julia Donaldson. Can I get this 1793 book?
Sarabjit ma'am, bring this book 1793.
Has it been issued or?
That book is issued.
Wait, ma'am, we'll ask.
You must be keeping it by the number, right?
Plus,
The
looks
arrangement
like section wise, no? Storybooks.
1794.
Ma'am has arranged in a class 5. One. 1794. Sir, 1793, sorry.
मैम ये अरेंज तो आपके नंबर वाइज ही होते होंगे ना मैम, अकॉर्डिंग टू द लाइब्रेरी नंबर्स?
नहीं मैम, जब पिछली बार जो आई थी ना टीम, उन्होंने बोला था कि आपको नंबर वाइज नहीं करना, हमने नंबर वाइज ही किया हुआ था, सेशन नंबर वाइज ही था, बट वो कहते हैं कि नहीं, इसको आप इस तरह से कीजिए, क्लास वाइज कीजिए, तो मैम हैज डन लाइक दिस ना। साबी मैम, सरबजीत मैम के पास जाओ जरा एक बार प्लीज, मेरे फोन अपने कान पे रखो। सरबजीत मैम को बोलो कि 1793 बुक ढूंढ के दे एक बार ना।
तो कौन से क्लास के लिए थी ये बुक?
क्लास पूछना। सरबजीत मैम से पूछना है कि कौन सी क्लास की बुक थी। मैम कौन सी क्लास के लिए बुक है ये वाली 1793?
So probably it's for the junior.
कहाँ पर पड़ा है? इशू तो नहीं है, इशू तो नहीं है। 1793. It is no. सभी अभी ऑनलाइन रहना, 2 मिनट रुक जाओ। Actually, last time when we were having physical inspection, तो जो भी मैम्स आए थे उन्होंने बोला था कि पहले सेशन नंबर वाइज ही करवाया हुआ था मैम. So now we did like this. This arrangement was done.
ठीक है मैम, एक बार ढूंढ के बाद में बता दीजिए. अभी नेक्स्ट हम लोग चलेंगे. शर्ली मैम, एनीथिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड?
ठीक है मैम, ठीक. अभी मैम बुक ढूंढ के ना बताना जरूर है हमें. अभी आप ऑन ही रखो.
मैम यू आर ऑन म्यूट. शर्ली मैम, यू आर ऑन म्यूट.
Ma'am, can we see 1377, ma'am? Please just show me what is the book on the accession register and then
1377.
where inside the number. What's the book on 1377, ma'am?
सावी मैम सरबजीत से बात कराइए.
चाय पिलाना.
सरबजीत मैम 1377 बुक देखिए. 1377. सावी को फोन दो.
मैम डोंट टेक टेंशन, आप ढूंढ लीजिए, बाद में बता दीजिए.
सरबजीत मैम बुक कौन सी है? 1377.
ये इशू है मैम, इशू की हुई है मैम. 17 ये शूट की हुई है.
इशू हुई है ये मैम. 1377 is issued to a child. See the issue and issue register, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm finding one timetable. There is timetable also in the accession register 1448.
Ma'am, it is displayed.
No, it is
Show the
mentioned
timetable.
1448 is. So what is that book on the accession register, ma'am? 1448.
1448 issue होगी.
मैम जो आपने लास्ट परचेस की है ना, उसमें से कोई भी आप मुझे आखिरी वाली किताबों की लिस्ट में से एक बता दीजिए.
So can you show me one?
कोई भी बुक निकाल दो.
है ना?
ये वाली निकाल दो. कोई भी निकाल दो.
जो
1610 11 12
जो भी अभी परचेज किया ना लास्ट में से कोई भी निकाल लो ना. हाँ, वहाँ तो भी ऑनलाइन लेंगे आप जरा.
उसका नंबर क्या है? 1611. रॉबिन्सन क्रूजो. ऑलराइट, ठीक है.
You didn't show 1448 to me.
1448.
What is the book, sir?
इशू है वो दिखाओ. इशू.
But what is on that? Not here, ma'am. On the accession register, what is the book?
1448
There's
timetable.
timetable here. Timetable cannot come to the accession register, sir.
No, it's the name of the
Timetable
child.
is this, ma'am? Which timetable is this?
इट इज मैम TABILES कुछ है. सरबजीत मैम इसका क्या है? इसमें क्या था? बुक में इशू है ना ये. इसमें मैम टेबल्स थे. बच्चों के लिए टेबल्स की हैं कुछ बुक्स ना रिवाइज करने के लिए. नेम इज टाइम टेबल बट इट्स टाइम फॉर टेबल्स मैम. Like we are having tables like 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, like na. We are
not tables, ma'am.
Yeah, tables.
Multiplication tables.
Multiplication table. Yeah. So that is issued to the children na for one.
But that multiplication tables, how are we putting it in the accession register, ma'am? Those kind of things and guides cannot be on the accession register, ma'am.
मैम इट इज अ रीजनिंग बुक, उसमें ना थोड़ा पिक्चराइजेशन थी बच्चों में ना, तब हमने ऐड करवाई थी कुछ बुक्स ना।
ठीक है।
ये निकाल दो चतुर से क्या पाल में, उसकी कोई और भी कॉपी है टाइम टेबल की?
Archana ma'am, is it okay?
Yeah, ma'am, it's fine. It's fine. Shall we move to the sports area now?
हाँ yes ma'am.
लास्ट डेफिशिएंसी
हाँ सर स्पोर्ट्स एरिया, स्लो स्लो प्लीज। Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes. Thank you. What is the area of this room, ma'am?
600 square meter, ma'am. Square feet.
बैडमिंटन कहाँ खेलते हैं बच्चे? Ariana, there must be a lot of rope skipping also, no, in your school, or do they do it or they don't? Because it's a very popular game there.
Yeah. We do it for ma'am.
बैडमिंटन का है आपके पास मैम?
Yes, ma'am. Show the rackets.
No, I've seen the racket. That's why I'm asking you. Where is the badminton or something?
This is outside, ma'am. Outside in the ground, na? Left side of the ground, na, we are having pakka field there. There they play.
Mm-hmm. And you are visiting coaches for all this, or they are in-house teachers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The teacher is there, ma'am, the physical education teacher.
Yeah. Mr. Sandeep. सर मिस्टर संदीप से बात करवाइए।
Morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
So which game do you play?
आप कौन सी
आपका स्पेशलाइज्ड गेम कौन सा है? आपका गेम कौन सा है सर?
कबड्डी मैम।
कबड्डी। और बाकी के कौन सिखाता है सर? जैसे बैडमिंटन है, फुटबॉल,
कबड्डी, वॉलीबॉल, खो खो, योगा
आप ही सिखाते हो? ऑलराइट, ठीक है।
मैम shall we see outdoor sports facility मैम?
यस यस।
रजनी मैम जो वाटर फैसिलिटी है वो भी दिखा दीजिए, सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फैसिलिटी। एक बार वो भी एक बार उस तरफ भी एक बार कैमरा सर को बोलिए।
हाँ, करवा लें। सर वाटर आरओ साइड
बच्चे पानी कहाँ से पीते हैं एक बार वो एक बार दिखा दीजिए।
हाँ जी, ऑफिस की तरफ आइए। सर सीढ़ियों से आ जाइए साइड, आरओ दिखाना है, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एरिया। सावी मैम
मैम ये पूरे फ्लोर पर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर नहीं है आपके?
है मैम, है, कूलर्स आर देयर, वाटर कूलर इज देयर।
पर कहीं पे भी नजर नहीं आ रहा है मैम।
सावी मैम वाटर कूलर दिखाना जो पीछे वाला इस फ्लोर पे। हाँ जा रहे हैं मैम। Every floor has water cooler as well as washrooms.
And was this recently installed or you had it before, ma'am?
Yeah, we'll show you, ma'am. We'll show you. नीचे जा
मैम आपने ये नए इंस्टॉल करवाए हैं या पहले से ही थे? आप मैम मेंबर 2 ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं।
ये पहले से थे मैम। ये जो है नीचे हमने आरओ इंस्टॉल करवाया है सर। ड्रिंकिंग वाटर तो सारी फैसिलिटी पहले से थी, बट नीचे हमने आरओ वाटर प्यूरिफाई करवाया है इंस्टॉल ना।
एक बार दिखा दीजिए।
पहले से ही था। हाँ जी सर। सर स्लो चलिए, स्लो। शो द वाटर कूलर दिस साइड। सर बाहर आइए जहां आरओ इंस्टॉल्ड है, ग्राउंड फ्लोर वाले वाटर एरिया में। राम सर को फोन करना है, जहां से हमारी कनेक्टिविटी है सारी आरओ की ना। और स्लो स्लो, थोड़ा स्लो। This is the RO we have that is connected. थोड़ा ऊपर करिए कैमरा। यस। शो वाटर कूलर सर। Is it okay, sir? This is ground floor.
जी मैम। I think we have covered all the points, ma'am. Archana ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Anything from the report, ma'am?
No, I've just.
Or you have to make submission in your report? Shirley ma'am, anything from the report, ma'am?
No, I think we've covered all the points, sir.
We've covered all the points.
Okay, ma'am. Please allow the school to upload a document that is for the
Yes, sir.
bank
Yes, sir.
transfer documents,
Yeah.
land certificate, and the document of the Sanskrit computer and special educator, ma'am.
रजनी मैम, मैं आपको एक्सेस दूंगी। आप सारे आपके जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स अभी है वो सारे अपलोड
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
दीजिए से, ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम।
And then, so Rohit sir, I think they can leave now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rajni ma'am.
Thank
Now
you.
you can leave the meeting, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your cooperation, all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Archana ma'am, Shelly ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
अभी
you.
आप मीटिंग लीव कर सकते हैं,
Okay.
मैम।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Access. Shirley ma'am, so